Hello everyone, this is a demonstration of the RDS-32 scalar timer capability that is useful if you need to improve MDA by integrating over time and/or subtract the current background. As you can see, the RDS-32 can display up to 3 channels simultaneously: alpha reading, beta reading, and gamma dose rate. Scalar timer function will be presented with external alpha-beta probe in dual display mode that helps reducing the overall measurement time. We enter the menu by pressing the Enter key and use up or down arrows to locate scalar function. The setting menu allows selection of preset time or preset count within a predefined list and the unit to use with the connected probe. The preset time or count is used for both background and sample acquisition. Users can proceed to gross or net measurement. If net measurement is needed, a background acquisition must be performed. The RDS-32 is now ready to start net acquisition on a sample. It also displays the background level. The background can be acquired again if it changes over time. The result remains on display until you press the Select key. Then start a new acquisition or press the left arrow to exit. Each acquisition on scalar timer mode is automatically saved in the RDS-32 memory and can be retrieved with CSW software on a PC. Thank you, and this ends the scalar timer demonstration of the RDS-32.